Hello guys, and sorry for the noise in the background. Just people, annoying people. No, I'm joking, they're my family. Today, in this video, I am going to be showing you how to get no nose. Oh my goodness. Gonna miscellaneous or whatever it is. Go skip, skedaddle, homie. Skedaddle. Okay, we're not here to test those right now, sweetie. Yeah. Okay. There's this song that's stuck in my head. It goes, what does my girl say? You done, miss right now. You done, miss right now. Okay, so let's go to page 40. 50. Oh my goodness, my bad. Okay, let me see. What page was this? And yeah, 14. Okay, let's go to 14. 14. Okay, we have to do this. Okay, 19, 18, 17, 14. Hopefully it's still there on 14. Why are these so many, like right here, stopping there? You done, miss right now. 14. Not there. Swine. Oh my goodness! I saw that in her video. She like went past this. If you like have much more money than me, you could just whoop and then maybe whoop. But that would look creepy. So you have to do this. Ow! What? Oh my goodness. What in the world is this? Ew. Ew! Hi! Look, I could be Coraline. Little game of hide and go seek. What is this? Ew. Okay, I'm liking this. A weird, scary look. Wanna be Gru? Wanna be Gru? Wanna be Gru? Wow, that sounds so mean. Hey, wanna be Gru? You're a wannabe Gru. Wanna be Gru. Oh yeah, if you do not want a face, then just go there and then get scared. And, yeah. Woo. Are you a new teacher? That is ugly. It's like you put a ton of tape, like 100 layers of tape on your face challenge. Literally. See? Okay. Sorry, I did not want to say that, but I just did. For some reason. Ooh, mommy, blow my floaties. Okay, honey. Okay, I just want the note. I heard that life goes over your head. People say that this is a hack thing. Right now, I just made myself a beautiful look. So, chill out. If you're watching this on 2018, you could still make it. I'll just look for it without wasting time, so wait. Okay, I found it. I just had to go to themes and go to this cat's theme. Make your skin color. You already see that my nose is gone. And then bippity boppity boo, you got no nose. Yeah, let's buy that. And then just go to theme. Skedaddle a little. Skedaddle while you're watching this. Right now! Okay, go. That page I was in was this, Cats vs. Dogs. So, have fun with your Michael Jackson no-nos. Peace out.